What's up, friends? It's that time of the month again, another Moto Social. I'm just heading to meet up with a friend, Trevor. He's riding a Harley, and I believe it's a street glide, a CVO. And then we're going from there to meet up with another friend, Tyler. He's also riding a street glide, I believe. And then we're heading downtown to this Moto Social, which is going to be held at I think it's called Better Half Coffee and Cocktails, and it's 61 degrees, very comfortable, a little chilly riding, but very nice. And as you can see, sunny skies, very nice. So I'm gonna go meet up with Trevor, and then we'll get back to you in a moment. Okay, we got Trevor with us. Look at that cool bike. It's called Better Half Coffee and Cocktails. All right, here he comes. Got here, there's my bike. There's Trevor's beast. Look at that thing, that's awesome. And Tyler's bike, Chrome City, man. Look at that thing, that is nice. Got killed with bugs on the way out here though. Yeah, we had a really nice ride. So this is where we're at. This place is called Better Half Coffee and Cocktails or something like that. Oh, here's the sign over here. Okay, we're here at the last Moto Social of the season, and I just pulled in. I saw this really cool bike, and can I introduce you to this cool bike and cool person I just met? All right, we're here with Layla. What's up? How you doing? And so I was just asking a question about this. I saw a bunch of mods on this. It looks like a Sportster, but let's dive into this. Tell us what you got here.
Okay, so it's a 2017 Sportster. It started out as an 883, but now it's 1200 plus a bunch of headwork, cams. I built all the exhaust on it. It's got GSXR 750 wheels and front end. I built the swing arm. I built the back fender. It's also got nitrous, air shift. It's got electronic quick shift with the air. It's got a nitrous controller. It's a fun little street strip bike.
So let's kind of pan back a little bit, take a look at it. So is that the nitrous? Nitrous bottle. And can you introduce us to your dashboard here?
This is the progressive nitrous controller. This is my tuner, and this is my air shift computer.
Okay, and that's over. There's another bottle over here, right?
Yeah, that's the air shift solenoid and the air shift bottle. And then these are the nitrous solenoids up here.
Nice. And so what does that do when you kick that on? What kind of boost do you get out of that?
It's about a 30 horsepower shot. So the bike's probably 130, 140 at the wheel. It's a 10-second bike.
Oh wow, cool. Very nice.
Yeah.
And you have other bikes?
Oh yeah, I've got a 2003 BMW. I've also got a drag race road glide that's going to be a little over 200 horsepower, and then I've got a 2020 road glide that I ride.
Oh, nice. And you're saying what kind of racing did you do?
Drag racing. I also did road racing too. I road raced Aprilias.
Oh, okay, very cool. Yeah. Well, Layla, thanks so much for introducing the bike. Very cool.
Yeah.
Thank you. Got I think that's the Jedi logo or something. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
wrapping it up, heading home. A lot of people have left. There's still some people straggling around here having fun, but I'm gonna head home now. And that's it. Thanks for joining. That was a fun day, and catch you next time. Later.